Spring 2013. At Ryuyo, Suzuki's development base for motorcycles. The development of a prototype was steadily progressing with the aim of returning to MotoGP. The development of this race machine is one huge challenge for the motorcycle maker. Suzuki shifted to an inline four-cylinder engine from a V-type four-cylinder, which it has used for many years. It has decided to return to the premier class of racing with a different engine layout. Needless to say, the engine layout is the core of the design concept of the whole machine. To change the layout is a major undertaking. However, the experience gained with the GSX-R series, which adopts the inline-four engine and enhancing that in the Grand Prix, will have an immense feedback to the commercial vehicle. And as the expected outcome becomes greater, the difficulty of the development team naturally increases. Today was the shakedown of the racer that has been improved from the 2012 version in both the engine and body. How did the motorcycle perform? Development rider Nobuatsu Aoki shares his thoughts.
そうですね、まだその走り出したままなんですけど、自分が思っていたものよりもすごくはるかに高いレベルで最初に出てきたので、すごく嬉しいですね。
The new project is off to a good start in 2013.